Can we really add Solana network in our MetaMask? Well, the answer is no, we cannot, but we can add Solana. But how do we do it? For that, you will have to open up your browser and then search for wrapped Solana. After that, open up the very first link from CoinMarketCap, and this is where it will take you. Now scroll down, and here at the left hand side you will be able to find the option of contracts. Under contracts, click on this option of more. Now you will find various addresses over here. You can copy it. So in this video we will see how we can add Solana in our Binance Smart Chain, and it is for BEP20. So we will just copy this particular address and open up our MetaMask. Now switch to BSC network on your MetaMask, then select tokens and click on import token. Here just paste the address that we just copied and click on next. Click on import, and this way Solana will be added in your MetaMask. And in case if you have sent Solana by mistake, and if you had Solana and reinstall MetaMask, this way Solana will appear in your MetaMask and you will be able to see its value. And in case if you want to use a Solana wallet, then you can just go with the Phantom wallet, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.